Come on guys, be serious. This is the year 2020. You guys seriously believe in this nonsense? Please. Seriously? You bald idiots ask some stupid questions. How does night and day work on flat earth? You stupid fucks thinks the earth and the sky will be separated like this. And you think that if you put the Hubble telescope on top of the Empire State Building in New York, you will be able to see Buckingham Palace in London, right? What about perspective? Are you guys that simple? You don't get perspective? Fuck's sake, man. YouTuber P-Brain was explaining all this back in 2015. Look at this video. He's uploaded on the 17th September 2015. Fuck's sake, man. Get a grip. A 5-year-old child will understand perspective if you just explain it to him or her, right? It's very simple, but unfortunately that child will be indoctrinated in the school system and will be told a lot of bollocks to believe in a spinning basketball in the vacuum of space. You people are fucking stupid. You explain everything to them and the very next day they'll come back and say, "Good day, mate. So, how come I can't see Polaris from Australia?" Fuck's sake! Distance, motherfucker, distance! As you're going away, the star Polaris will be below the horizon, not over the fucking curve, because the Earth is not a globe. It's distance. The Earth is an enclosed system with a ceiling or a dome if you prefer. It has a magnetic field that covers the entire Earth, and under the dome is the ether. It's a medium devoid of any matter except all the luminaries. The ether starts where there is zero pressure all the way up to the dome or the ceiling. Underneath the ether you have the atmosphere plane, and it thickens as you descend, thereby the ground having the thickest atmosphere plane. Of course, the greatest pressure is at the bottom of the ocean. That is why ships and containers that weigh hundreds of tons can sail on the ocean. Okay, now the reason things fall is because that objects have weight and will be attracted, in quotations, to the ground. The magnetic field is pushing down all the objects towards the ground, and it is impossible for objects with weight to go up where there are next to no pressure. Similarly, a helium balloon is pushed up by the high pressure at the bottom or at ground level. The helium balloon is attracted, in quotation marks, upwards as it is trying to find equilibrium. However, having said that, once the balloon reaches zero pressure, it will pop, because the balloon simply contains a greater pressure than zero. And by using energy, we can defy the greater pressure at the bottom. We call that anti-gravity. Basically, it's using energy to propel ourselves away from the ground. For example, airplanes, helicopters, etc. And of course, birds and insects. And no other explanation is needed. We don't need pseudoscience or science fiction such as force of gravity, space-time, and all that bullshit. Occam's razor favors a flat and stationary Earth. It makes logical sense.